Substitutes for eggs. If you don't eat eggs and look for alternatives that contain proteins like eggs, there are many options available to you as well. Most people like to eat eggs. Along with the taste, it also contains a lot of nutritious ingredients. It is a good source of protein. It gives us strength and it does not allow us to feel hungry for a long time. It is low in calories and can be consumed by people who want to lose weight. If you want substitutes for eggs, there are many options available to you as well. These options help you lose weight and also strengthen muscles. You can try these vegetarian options instead of eggs. According to mensworldindia.com, protein-rich foods can be beneficial. Vegetarian favorite paneer can be topped in the list. It is very tasty and many dishes can be made from it. 50 g of water contains 11 grams of protein. Quinoa, it is a gluten-free cereal rich in protein as well as amino acids. Eating quinoa will get plenty of protein. Soybeans are also considered to be a very good source of protein and can also be called a great alternative to meat. You can include it in your diet. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc and phosphorus are among the most essential nutrients for the body. Pumpkin wrap provides you with these nutrients as well as a good amount of protein. Lentils pulses are eaten at the homes of most Indians. A good amount of protein is also found in fiber as well as pulses. Eating lentils is very beneficial. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, comment, and like, subscribe to my channel Informatic Health Tips.